What if I told you there are SUVs so reliable, owners buy them once and literally never think about repairs again? While most people are stressed about their next massive mechanic bill, these vehicles easily cross 300,000 miles, like it's nothing. They have engines built to defy time and resale values that refuse to drop. Today on Piston Truth, we reveal 5 legendary SUVs you buy once and drive forever. Let's count down to the ultimate indestructible machine. At number 5 is the Hyundai Santa Fe. 20 years ago, this would be a joke, but today it's a tank. Hyundai stopped chasing useless performance numbers and focused on building cars that last. The 2.5-liter engine uses heavy-duty multi-layer steel head gaskets and massive timing chains that never need replacing. They are so confident, they offer a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. It's a modern SUV built with old-school, bulletproof engineering. You buy it, and it just works. Number 4 is the Subaru Forester. This is the SUV that will rescue you at 3 a.m. in a blizzard and act like nothing happened. Yes, older Subarus had head gasket issues, but they fixed that a decade ago. Today, the symmetrical all-wheel drive system distributes power perfectly, reducing mechanical stress on the axles and transmission. The Forester doesn't just survive snow, mud, and gravel year after year. It thrives in it, keeping its resale value incredibly high. At number 3, reliability becomes effortless. The Honda CR-V. Driving it won't blow your mind, and that's exactly why it lasts forever. It's engineered to avoid drama. For a CR-V, 100,000 miles is just the break-in period. Many easily cross 300,000 miles with the original engine and transmission. Honda's 4-cylinder engines run at low compression, keeping temperatures low and wear almost non-existent. It's not an exciting car. It's a flawless household appliance that refuses to die. Before we reveal the top 2 most indestructible SUVs on the planet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. We post brutal automotive truths and financial breakdowns every single day to protect your wallet. Have you ever owned a car that hit 300,000 miles? Drop the make and model in the comments below, and let's get back to our list with a vehicle that is literally used by the United Nations. Number 2 is the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser. This isn't just a reliable SUV. It is built on one rule. Breaking down is not an option. It is designed to survive in the harshest environments on Earth. The engines and massive traditional automatic transmissions are heavily understressed. They never chase top speed. They just work. People don't sell Land Cruisers because they break. They sell them because they get bored after 25 years of flawless driving. And the number 1 most indestructible SUV you can buy is the Toyota RAV4. This car is aggressively reliable. It survives even when owners completely neglect it. The 2.5-liter engine is intentionally simple, with fewer moving parts to brake. Toyota over-engineers the suspension, wheel bearings, and brakes way beyond normal daily use. A 5-year-old RAV4 holds up to 70% of its value. You buy it, do basic oil changes, and it will outlive everything else on the road.